TubeMagic is a new exclusive AI tool that's designed to make your channel's videos go viral with the help of AI. However, the real question is, how well does it actually work in doing that? We all know that AI technology can be completely unbelievable sometimes, like typing in a text prompt and receiving back an entire song.
You are currently watching TubeMagic. Subscribe to supercharge your YouTube channel.
But at the same time, a lot of AI softwares do the job fast, but do it very poorly. But in this video, we're gonna do an in-depth look on the TubeMagic AI software and investigate how good it is at actually making viral videos for your channel. I'm gonna show you guys some personal examples of me trying TubeMagic, as well as my true, honest opinions about the TubeMagic AI. And just so you guys know, I don't own any part of TubeMagic. I'm just a host that posts on the YouTube channel. In fact, I've gotten the okay from the founder of TubeMagic to be completely honest with you guys within this video. So I'm just gonna tell you guys what I think is the truth before you guys buy TubeMagic. As well as there's going to be a $1 trial for an entire week of TubeMagic so that you guys can follow along within this video and so that you guys can say that you actually at least tried TubeMagic before making your opinions on it. But by the end of this video, I want you guys to know the big problem with TubeMagic that you need to know before buying. And just by understanding what it is, you're going to get immense value from this video. So getting right into it, TubeMagic is a software that released a couple months ago, and its main purpose is that it's a tool that studies the most viral videos on YouTube with 10, 20, 30 million views, and using AI, it creates a type of model so it can recreate these viral videos. So it can make viral engaging scripts for audience retention, viral keywords and optimization, a model that's based completely around it, as well as viral video ideas based on already winning channels. And from my personal experience, the TubeMagic AI does do mistakes sometimes, but this is nothing new because every AI on the internet does a mistake at some point. And although the TubeMagic AI does do mistakes, it saved me much more time by making something and double checking it for any mistakes rather than creating it from scratch. And as a case study example of me using TubeMagic, here are 3 videos I posted on my personal channel before TubeMagic, before I ever used it. And these are obviously a little bit lower views. However, here's 3 videos of when I started using TubeMagic. And as you guys can see, there is a major difference from these compared to the ones before. And although it's worked amazingly for me, it honestly depends on what niche you're doing. Because for me, on this channel, I was doing faceless content. And TubeMagic is absolutely perfect for faceless content. But if you were to do something like reaction videos, you couldn't use the AI script writing feature as well because you're reacting to a video and there's not really a script when you're reacting to a video. It's more so your immediate reaction. But at the same time, there's tools on TubeMagic that I believe can be used for any channel, such as the Warp Upload Optimizer, where you just take the link of your video and then go into the Warp Upload Optimizer, throw it in, and it generates you a title, description, and tags completely for your video that are optimized and modeled after viral videos that TubeMagic scans. And the way it works is it actually looks at the captions to see what's being said within the video. So if you're talking a lot about technology, it knows that your video is about technology. Or if you're talking a lot about, I don't know, let's say software, then it's going to, know your videos about software. But if your videos don't have any talking, you can actually just write in the context and generate it like that, which honestly, I appreciate that TubeMagic looked that far ahead for channels that don't have any talking within their video. TubeMagic's keyword research tool is something else I really want to mention. It's where you can type in a keyword and it shows you all of the related keywords on YouTube's API that are the most searched for. So you can filter these by the magic score and seeing the top ones with the highest search volume per month with the least amount of competition. Now the tool just launched and it works and you can find viral keywords through this, but I think that they're going more for a simplistic look on the keyword tool when I think that there could be much more features added on it. What would also be really cool is if you could just turn the results into a spreadsheet on TubeMagic so you can have them for offline or you can compile them, which would be a lot better if you want to be a little bit more advanced or put it through a spreadsheet software. But don't walk away from this thinking that the keyword research tool is bad in any way. It's amazing and I use it all the time. I just think that there could be so much more potential added to this, and I know TubeMagic is working on it, but that's just my honest opinion. And if you guys have any opinions, leave them in the comments below because I'm curious what you guys think about all of the tools on TubeMagic. Now a tool I'm going to give a little bit more props to is the AI script writing tool, because I've used a lot of AI script writers on different platforms and they've always been a nightmare to use to generate a video script. However, the special part about TubeMagic's AI script writer is that it's dedicated to just YouTube videos, so you don't have to specify make this a YouTube video or anything. It'll write you a YouTube script, as well as there's a word counter that live updates as the script generates, which makes it super cool so you can understand the length, and it's super easy to fix up TubeMagic scripts after generating them. Not only that, TubeMagic studies the scripts of viral videos on YouTube, which will have the highest engagement, the highest audience retention, which is why they're viral. And TubeMagic will make a model of that and make your script based on that. So in my opinion, the TubeMagic AI scriptwriter is probably the best AI scriptwriter for YouTube on the internet. However, here's the thing. What would be really cool is if you could select a portion of the script to type in a prompt to change it, or if you could just type in a prompt to change the entire script. Like if you want to make it more serious, more comedic, add more facts to the script. An addition like that to the AI scriptwriter would be so much better. Like, I couldn't stress enough how helpful that would be. And I will acknowledge that TubeMagic is actually working on a lot of these. The lead developer, Priam, is actually working on this like tirelessly, and every single dollar that TubeMagic is generating goes right back into the company. So who knows, while you guys are watching this video, these might be already updated and these might already be a lot better. And if that really is the case, then I would strongly recommend TubeMagic as the #1 AI tool on the entire internet. With all those changes, it's a no-brainer to buy. However, there's one serious problem with TubeMagic that you need to know about before buying it. This might be the biggest misconception that I've seen when I recommend my friends to use TubeMagic, and I've also noticed that some of the biggest competitors that also do kind of what TubeMagic does have this implemented, and that is TubeMagic is not yet a built-in browser extension. When you're uploading your YouTube videos, instead of putting them on unlisted and bringing them to the Warp Upload Optimizer and generating them there, copy and pasting them and moving them back, it would be so helpful if there was just a little tiny button that you press and it fills it out all for you. It would also be super helpful if you could connect your YouTube channel to TubeMagic and get an in-depth analytic viewer, so you can look at all the things that the basic YouTube Studio doesn't show you. By making TubeMagic an extension, the amount of usefulness that it could contribute would absolutely skyrocket. It would be the best tool on the internet. However, thankfully, TubeMagic is run by creators just like me and you, so it's run by people who actually understand the problems with YouTube and actually listen to the audience. So a browser extension version of TubeMagic is already in the works, and that should be implemented sometime in the future. And if it's already implemented by the time you guys are watching this video, then TubeMagic is probably the best investment you can make for YouTube at this point. And so if there's any information I want you guys leaving the video with, it's that TubeMagic actually listens to their audience and they have the best interest for YouTube creators. And if you want to make the jump of purchasing your first month of TubeMagic, use the code MAGIC30 for 30% off your first month. It's something I want to reward you guys for making it this far within the video. Now, if you guys want a completely free online course, then check out this video series I've linked in the description on the channel. It's only going to be up for an exclusive amount of time, and it's much more valuable than some $1,000 courses, but we're giving it to you guys for completely free just to give you guys some value. I hope you guys got value from this video. I'm Dennis, and if you guys want more secrets to supercharge your YouTube channel in this day and age with AI, then subscribe to TubeMagic because we release weekly videos doing exactly that.